What's good, YouTube? It's your man, the Ninja Waver here, back again. I am doing a 720 angle breakdown specifically for the top side only in this video. So if you're a beginner and you are just now starting out on getting 720s, then be sure to watch this video all the way to the end. We're going to use a soft brush session. As you guys know, I've been training to get 720s, but for today, we're just going to focus on the top side, all right? So with 720s, unlike 360s, 720s are a complete slant. In other words, the waves go completely perpendicular or vertical from God's eye view. All right, so you guys want to grab the brush and pretty much brush sideways. That's the easiest way to explain how to brush this pattern at the top side. So as you guys are seeing me demonstrate, I'm just brushing all the way across. Completely sideways. All right, now of course if you have a counterclockwise crown, then you just brush in the same type of motion but just in the opposite direction. So just be sure to watch and replay this video as many times as you guys need to. Now if you are a beginner and you're at the early stages of getting waves and you want to know what your hair should look like every single week without having to guess about your progress, then be sure to get the 360 blueprint. It's going to have real images of my hair during my transformation so you guys can know what to expect. So be sure to grab the 360 blueprint. I'll leave it in the description below. Be sure to grab that so you guys can have peace of mind and certainty. All right, let's get it.